Why Pakistani pink salt is famous worldwide. Exclusive origin, mined only in Pakistan. Found in the Khewra Salt Mine. Located in the Himalayan foothills of Punjab, Pakistan. Khewra Salt Mine is the second largest salt mine in the world, and the only major source of true Himalayan pink salt. Unique pink color. Naturally pink due to the presence of trace minerals, especially iron oxide. No artificial color or additives. It's 100% natural. Rich in minerals, contains 80 plus trace minerals like iron, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. These minerals give it a healthier profile than regular table salt. Culinary and wellness uses. Used in gourmet cooking, salt lamps for decor and air purification, bath salts and spa treatments, and health therapies like salt inhalers. Pure and natural, less processed than white salt, free from chemicals and additives, often marketed as organic or raw salt. High export demand. Exported to the USA, Europe, Gulf countries, Asia, and Australia. Symbol of national pride. A true made in Pakistan product that showcases Pakistan's natural resources and export quality. Why Pakistani pink salt is famous worldwide? Exclusive origin, mined only in Pakistan.